Hi, this is Paul. So, this is intake and this is exhaust valve. So the combustion chamber entirely got damaged. So this is intake valve and exhaust valve. Can you see this aluminum deposit over here? So this is the third cylinder. So I'm going to show you what is the different. Yes, there is some valve bed over here. In this feeler gauge, I could not see any what is the of this, but this is a very soft blade. Can you see over here? It never entered. So this is the intake air leakage. So guys, so this is the difference you can easily recognize. So I have taken to wash the cylinder head. This is Kirloskar engines. So these are the valve bush, spring, bottom, upper. This is by from Paul.